Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Sore Fingers back with you again for what will be hopefully another interesting lesson of a golden oldie. This one is my take on a classic song from the Four Seasons and Frankie Valli, of course, and a song called December '63. Oh, what a night. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning with a capo on the first fret. Okay, the song itself is in the key of D flat, as is the original, so we're doing it in the same key as the original recording, so you'll be able to play along with the original recording, no problem. Okay, so the other benefit of having a capo is we'll be playing basic simple open chords. Okay, nothing too no bar chords, no, simple chords only. Okay, so now, as you probably realise, this is really heavily based on the piano, this song, and there's this piano chord sequence which is quite heavily pronounced through the song, the main riff, if you like, of the song. Very heavily played through the song, that riff. Okay, it's in all the verses and the intro. Okay, so let's break that down for you, and then you've got quite a large section of the song sorted. Okay, so the way I play it is starting off with a C chord, standard C chord, and I just strum down once. Okay, then I lift up the second finger from the C chord, the other two fingers stay where they are. So you open up the fourth string, the D string is now, fourth string is now open, and you strum down again. So you go, okay, two downstrokes there. Then you put that finger back to make the C chord again, and you do another downstroke. Okay, so, alright, got that? Now we go to an F chord. Simple F is fine, although I tend to play it like that, what I call a four-fingered F, or F with C in the bass. It's a standard F chord like that, but this third finger goes up to the fifth string, third fret from the capo, and your pinky takes over on the third fret on the fourth string from the capo. Okay, third fret from the capo. Okay, so the reason I do that is basically, if you play a standard F like that, simple F, it's four downwards. If you play the F with C in the bass, you get to play the fifth string as well, and it gives it a little bit more body, the chord. Okay, gives it a bit more depth. Okay, so it's up to you. A simple F's fine, or you play the, I mean, you could play a bar chord if you want, but it's a bit tricky in this particular sequence. But it's possible, I suppose. Anyway, so first part then. And we do this F chord twice. Okay, so, but it's up, down, down. Okay, so it's, if you play a simple one, it's, so it's up, down, down. Okay, so it's, got that. Or if I do it the way I do it, it's, okay. Bit of a pause, and then you do two more downstrokes on the F chord, like that, simple as that. Okay, so you got so far. Okay, and immediately you've done those two downstrokes on the F, you play a C chord downstroke. So now you've got this. Got that? Again, really slowly. Okay, and we finish it off with a little bass run. Okay, that's all it is. Third fret of the bottom E string, all single notes, open A string, fifth string, and then the second fret of the A string, the fifth string. And then the whole thing starts all over again, the chord riff. Okay, the piano chord riff. So once it's, I just go through it for you a couple of times. Okay, got the idea? The other thing about that bass riff, it also comes in where you sing "Oh What a Night." Oh what a night. So it's quite good for leading you into the singing. Okay. Oh what a night. Got the idea? Right. So what we'll do now is we'll do the intro. The intro starts with some drum beats, and then you do 2 of those chord riffs, and then the singing comes in for the first verse, and you just keep playing the chord riff round and round and round. Okay, so we'll do the intro and the first verse. Okay. Oh what a night, late September back in '63. What a beautiful time for me. I remember what a night. Oh what a night. You know I didn't know the way. I was never even dreamed the same. What a lady, what a night. Then we go into what we call the chorus. Okay, so you got the idea. You just keep playing that riff round and round and round. It's fun trying to sing over it, but I almost got it right. Anyway, so now we're going to the chorus, right? And it's oh I got a feeling. Sorry, let's do it again. Oh I get a funny feeling when she walks in the room, and I recall it anyway this soon. Oh what a night. I'm off into another verse. Okay, so what's this chorus? So it starts on D minor. Oh I. Then you go to an F chord, which however you wish to play it. F, that one, or an F bar chord if you want. I got a funny feeling when she walked is A minor. Walked. In the room is G. G standard G chord. Okay, so it's D minor, F, A minor, G. Oh, I got a funny feeling when she walked in the room. Second line, oh, D minor again, F, and I recall it ended way to G, soon, G7. That's a G chord, but with the first finger on the top E string first fret, second on the 5th, third on the bottom E string. Okay? If you haven't done that one before. So there's your chorus. Okay, so you come out of that. Oh, what a lady, what a night. Oh, I got a funny feeling when she walked in the room, and I recall it and did way too soon. Oh, what a night. Into verse 2 is exactly the same as verse 1 plays, just a riff round and round and round. Oh what a night. Ba 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 baby baby what a night. Okay, so that's the instrumental synthesizer bit. Oh, that's just A minor D, A minor D. Oh, and then we go into, so we call that the instrumental. Okay, we go into the bridge section, which is D minor again. What a night. So it's just a build up on chords, okay? The bridge is D minor. I felt the rush like E minor, rolling bolt of thunder. F, spinning my head around and taking G, taking my body under. Okay, so it's once again, so D minor. I felt the rush, E minor, like a rolling burst of thunder. F, spinning my head round like G, taking my head under. Oh, what a night! And then you're back into the riff again. Oh, what a night! Da 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 and that goes into that chorus again. Oh, I got a funny feeling when she walked in the room, and I called it in and waited to see you. Oh, what a night! And off into another verse. Okay, same as usual, and that verse ends up with the instrumental bit again. So what a job. Oh, what a night. A minor and D twice. And then we go into the bridge again. Oh, I felt the tune and the rolling by the thunder. Spin my head around and taking the body under. What a night. And then it just does that whole riff thing again, and it fades out on Oh, what a night. 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 I just finished it like that. Okay, so whichever way you want to do it. Yeah, put your own ending on it. Okay, so there it is, boys and girls. Basically, you've got the riff. You've got the chorus, the D minor, F, A minor, G bit, and then you've got the instrumental bit, A minor, D twice, and then you've got the bridge section, which is the F, the bridge section, which is D minor, E minor, F, and G. And that's it, really. Can't tell you any more about it. Just mix and match the bits, put it together, make your own arrangement if you want, and away you go. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.